Good afternoon. Delta 350, gate Bravo 21. Information Bravo, correction, Charlie.
Delta 350, spot number 1.
Push spot number 1, Delta 350.
Boarding doors now closed. You may continue to use mobile devices as long as they are set to airplane mode. Federal regulation prohibits the use of cellular network during the flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make a video or voice call is not allowed. We are now almost ready to go, so please take your seat, fasten your seat belt, store your tray tables or carry-on items, ensure our arms are in the resting position, and the headrests are lowered. Flight attendant stores for departure cross-check and all call. Welcome aboard. My name is Yoko, and I'm your first flight leader today. Myself and 3 other Los Angeles-based flight attendants are excited to take care of you today. Before we depart, please direct your attention to the video screens for a brief presentation of the safety features aboard Boeing 757. If your video monitor is not working, please let a flight attendant know. Thank you.
Sometimes inspiration is hard to find, and we can feel a little bit stuck. Time to explore new cultures and rediscover the palette of our planet, because our world is better in color. Color awakens our senses. It stirs our curiosity. The best way to find it is to get out there. Because at Delta, we believe expanding your horizons will expand your world.
Flying with Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important safety message.
Be sure that all carry-on items are securely stowed in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you. Please keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear. If you lose an electronic device in your seat, please do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for assistance.
As we leave the gate, make sure your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and adjust the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew members' instructions, in addition to posted placards and lighted information signs located throughout the cabins.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 8 exits on this plane, 8 doors, 4 on each side. 6 doors have detachable slides that can be used as rafts. The 2 smaller doors behind the wings have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. An additional raft is located in a ceiling compartment behind the wings. In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.
All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you. If there's a loss of power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. If this happens, reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to
vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and opening the pouch. Slip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, then adjust securely.
Place the vest around the infant's waist and secure the strap between the legs. Refer to your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lab children are located in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Now, before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure your seatbelt is fastened low and tight across your lap. Your carry-on items are secured and aisle armrests are in resting position.
Finally, please take a moment to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket. As we come through the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
Now, as we get ready for takeoff, please settle in and have a wonderful flight. Thank you for flying with Delta.
Turn off the cabin lights on the departure momentary. If you need any lights for reading, please turn on the lights above your panel. Thank you.
Delta 350, ready for taxi.
Delta 350, 19 via Juliet, hold short runway 15.
19 via Juliet, hold short 15, Delta 350.
Delta 350, cross runway 15 on Juliet and monitor the tower.
Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure.
Delta 350, watch the tower, runway 19 on line up for wake, Travis 5 out. Delta 350, winds 200 at 7, runway 19er, clear for takeoff. Delta 350, contact with home departure.
Over to departure, have a good day, Delta 350.
Yes, sir.